My name is Stella Vnook, and I'm the CEO of Likarda. Likarda is a drug delivery technology that encapsulates cells or large protein molecules for a variety of reasons, preferably to improve viability of the cell. We also play in logistics and cryopreservation space. The drug delivery technology is really intended to improve the outcomes for the patients. There is a lot of exciting new therapies. There is a lot of momentum in cell therapy, biologics, proteins. The way we look at cell therapy applications, at early days, we talked about diabetes and oncology. Now we're expanding to rare conditions. We are talking about neurology. We're talking about autoimmune systems. And that's really exciting for us in the industry and for patients that ultimately are going to benefit from these therapies. I also think that it's exciting that there is more understanding about how these therapies are manufactured. Coming in here to this meeting today, I have never seen so many vendors talking about different tools, technologies, CDMOs. So we're really advancing not just the technology itself, but how it's manufactured, how it's delivered. It's a brilliant time to be a part of this community. One of the major hurdles we hope to overcome, of course, is being able to deliver cell therapies more effectively. We have done an amazing job in the hematological conditions, and now we should tackle solid tumor delivery. I believe there are companies like Likarda who are working to advance delivery of cell therapy in solid tumors. And we should partner with other entities, vendors, technologies in order to advance how we deliver to solid tumors specifically. Another hurdle, if I may, is really around the logistics and cryopreservation. There seems to be a lot of innovation, but we still resort to very outdated technologies and techniques. We hope to see a lot more advancement in those areas as well. This is the busiest and the biggest I've ever seen meeting on the Mesa. Just coming in here, there's a lot of people, a lot of vendors from years ago when I know this meeting as a small, intimate community for cell and gene. Now there's a lot of excitement from investors who are here, from therapeutic companies, but also others that offer partnerships and support, such as regulatory companies, drug delivery companies. So this is becoming more of a prime meeting that everybody looks forward to, and that's great to see.